Here's a nice relaxing technique that I like to use a foam roller for to relax the muscles in the back of my head as well as my back. So you're going to need a long foam roller, just like this one over here. If you need a foam roller like that, a link is in the description. And now what you're going to do is you're going to sit on it. You're going to get an alignment with your center back. So those two muscles just outside of your spine will be the things that make pressure with the foam roller. Then you'll get yourself down, get the back of your head right where the notch is, that little ridge. They call it the occipital ridge. Get that ridge to make contact with the top of the foam roller. Once you're in this position, have your hands wide for a little bit of support. Hold and breathe. Let yourself melt into that stretch. You'll feel it sometimes in the back of your head more than your back. On other times, if you're backsider, you'll feel it there. Then if you want to dig into it a little bit, you can rotate your head to the side. Go from one side to the other, and it's going to release all the muscles in the back of your head, getting you to just relax easier and think a little bit less from that release in the back of your head. Then when you want to do your entire body, you'll just have those hands for stability and roll off to one side. Hold and breathe. It might feel a little intense if you're brand new to this because those muscles are so tight. Then you roll off to the other side. Hold and breathe. This should be something that's used to relax you at the end of your day. And then when you're done, you can return to that position. You could hold it there if you want, but if not, you have just completed a very relaxing foam roll technique for the back of your head.